There's your fat girl. That's number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Just like that. Missed a couple of them too. Felt big. Oh well. I'm pretty sure I caught this fish the other day from that mark there. Could be wrong. Starting to get a little smaller. I'm catching them quicker, but I think I felt a couple of good bites in between. They all hit hard though. Little fatties. Cold water bassing. Alright. Still getting smaller, but I just missed a massive one. Even saw her jump. Yeah, there's a little bit better. They're getting a little better. This one, she's a fighter. Good deal. What about, yeah, I don't know, 10? I stopped keeping count a long time ago. That's a little bit better right there. A little bit better. They're getting bigger. Well, I just lost the pig, but there's that one. Daddy.